Hello everyone and welcome to this new playlist. This playlist is on linear algebra. And in this playlist, I have divided this our discussion into several sections. So in the first section, which is section A, we will discuss these topics, which will start with discussing a brief discussion about linear equations. Then we will learn about echelon forms and how we can transform matrices into echelon forms. Then we will learn how we can solve linear equations with echelon forms. After that, we will talk about eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a certain vector. Then we will learn about linear dependency of vectors. Then we will learn diagonalization, where we will transform any matrix, any given matrix, to a diagonal matrix, which will help us to compute different things later on. Then we will learn to compute higher order matrices, which basically means suppose we are given a matrix A, and through this topic we will be able to find out a to the power 101, suppose. So this is what we'll discuss. And in the last topic for section 1, we will discuss geometric transformation, where we transform a given matrix with respect to our axis system in different forms. So this will be our contents for this section, and after that we will move on to the next section. So I will see you in the next video.